Hello, I'm Mike Howells, the European Product Marketing Manager for Topworx. Today we're going to be looking at the Topworx Configurator. The Topworx Configurator is available online from several sources. The Emerson website, on the Topworx page, you go down to Configure Your Product, and also within the ASCO range you go to Valve and Monitoring Position Sensing, Switchbox or Proximity Sensors, Configure Your Switchbox or Go Switch here. You can also go to the web address, which will take you directly to this page. So in this example, we'll initially look at a switchbox and the D series. On the right hand side, if the option is an express ship item or a popular item, it will appear here. If you know the exact part number or it's an express item that you require and your customer needs a step file, you can go to the download step file at the top of the page. You can fill in the information that's relative to yourself. And you can retrieve step file. On a switchbox, you have the option of a primary step file or an open lid step file. This is because in some installations, the customer will need to know whether they have enough room to open the lid on installation. You can also do this with precision sensing and go switches. And then once you've downloaded the file, you can use your standard CAD software, or you can use an online viewer to verify that the step file is correct. In this instance, I've used the Autodesk viewer and looking at a previously downloaded step file of a 70 series. On selecting the switch box, the preferred items are shown in yellow. You select the item parameters relative to what your requirements are. If in this instance you need to change part of the parameters, you can go back, unselect, and select the correct type. At this point, the majority of selections for a switch box have been made, but you must continue till the end, and if a selection is not required, just select the 0 option. Once completed, you have information to contact your local sales office to inquire about the particular switch box. And what's unique about the Topworx range is that we create a PDF. So this PDF is unique to the switch box that you've currently configured. Each time it creates a PDF drawing which can be used in your sales brochure, in your quote to the customer, or in your specification to the end user. As you can see, it will give you the dimensional drawing of the switch box selected. It will give you the characteristics, the wiring diagram, and more importantly, the nameplate. So this is the exact information that will appear on the nameplate on the switch box that you've selected. Important parameters, which may be along the lines of what classification, what temperature range, are all located in the nameplate information, along with the CIRA certification or the UL certification, which may be sometimes required depending on what type of quotation you're putting together for your customer. Thank you very much for your time. Goodbye.